Hey guys, what's going on? Jamar here, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of the FEZIBO 63-inch, obviously black, standing desk with drawer. Now, I've had this desk for about a year, and I figured it was high time that I made a review to share people the things I liked and the things that I did not like. Well, first off, let's just really talk about construction. It took me about a half an hour to an hour to put it together. It came, the legs were separate, and then it came, the electrical wasn't connected here to the electric motor, and the drawer wasn't put on there, and the headphones hook wasn't on there, as well as the wires and attachment tray in the back. So none of this stuff was together. Also, it comes in two separate pieces in a long flat box. And you can see here, there is a split down the middle on this table. There were some people who don't like this. To be honest with you, it doesn't really bother me. I actually have it covered by a mouse pad, and I'm going to talk about why I have a mouse pad here in the first place. But again, you guys can see here, it's got a split down the middle. If this bothers you, then this may not be for you. But to be honest with you, this little split down the middle does not bother me. It is 63 inches long. So I'm going to take a step back so you guys can kind of see. It is actually a really, really long standing table. Now, I needed something like this because I sit for really long periods of time while I work on my digital marketing business. I film a lot of YouTube videos, and I needed something that, you know, could stand up and sit down, and something that was really easy and affordable. So I found this. Like you guys, I looked at all the reviews and they all looked really, really well. So I went ahead and purchased it, and it actually is one of the best purchases in my entire office here because it is so functional and it works so well. And I haven't had a single issue on here. So before I go back to this control panel here, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna spin around and just kind of show you guys some of the features. So the first thing is it comes with this tray. And the tray is a little flimsy, but you can see I'm holding lots of stuff in here. And I'm gonna pull this out here for a second. And these pieces you actually have to install right here, and here are the screws. You got to install these L brackets and then a bracket in the back so that the tray can sit in here. My only gripe with this is that kind of flimsy, okay? Now, if you don't plan on putting a lot of heavy things in this tray, then it's not that big of a deal. Sometimes when the table is down and I move my chair around, my arm rests kind of catch onto here, and it pulls. You guys see how it pulls that out, and the tray has fallen out before. So the only thing is just be cognizant of the tray. You can just kind of bend it back, and then you can stick your tray back in there like that. Okay, so it comes with this, you know, nice cloth tray here, and it's enough to put, you know, headphones, paperwork, and things like that in there. That's a nice feature. I showed you guys some of the electrical connections. There's only one single electrical connector here. And then obviously you need to power the table. So there's a plug you guys can see on the floor over there. There's the plug for this table. Now, going around, this right here is really nice. I stick my power cord, and my USB cable gets routed through here. It's just for cable management. It makes it clean and really nice. And then in the back, you guys can see here, it is kind of a rat's nest. I have a lot of USB, this is a USB dock, but this is a cool place to kind of throw all of your cords and everything. And this table does come with a lot of cord management 3M strips, which is really nice. So all of these 3M strips, you get more than enough. It allows you to route all of your cords here, and then you guys can see on this side over here, there's another 3M strip. So all of these 3M strips just allow for cable management, which is really, really nice. If you're like me and you can kind of see, I kind of got cords going everywhere, which is very typical for any office, right? You're always gonna have power cords, USB cables, monitor cables, and things like that. So let's go to the other side, and you guys can see there is another spot for cables to go down here on a hole. This table is fairly thin, okay? I mean, this is like, to be honest with you, it's probably less than an inch. So you would think it wouldn't really be that sturdy, but to be honest with you, it's actually held up really, really well. Now, for being a really thin table, I mean, it's kind of hard to tell. I'm rocking the table back and forth, but the table doesn't really move hardly at all. So I'll kind of rock it back and forth. You guys can see, doesn't really move too much. So definitely a lot sturdier than you would think. And on this side, you guys can see it's got a cool little hook here where you can hang your headphones from. A lot of times I have a charging cable and I just connect it here and it charges while it hangs. And again, it's thin. So don't think thin and think cheap. This is actually a really, really durable table. You guys can see I did a spin all the way around and you didn't really see any defects with it. I use this table almost every day and it actually has held up incredibly, incredibly well. One of the main reasons that I got this huge mouse pad was I noticed that when I used my wireless mouse and it was on this table, for some reason, it had a hard time tracking on my computer. So no matter what I did, unless it was on the mouse pad, I couldn't get this. So I don't know if it's just this mouse and this surface, or if it's just this surface of the table. It doesn't reflect and read as well on the eye of the mouse. So all I did to fix that problem is I just got this big mouse pad, which is really comfortable, and it's able to hold my keyboard on, without kind of sliding across the table, even though my keyboard does have rubber foot pads, but it just allows for a more comfortable surface. Now, the last thing I want to show is this control panel here. It can go literally, I think about almost 47, 48 inches from where it's at here. And I'm 6'1", okay? I'm 6'1", and this table fits me literally perfect standing height for working on my keyboard. And these particular things here, they allow you to set certain levels. So if we wanted to go to M2, it's gonna raise up all the way to where you set it at. So this is completely maxed out height. And I know it's really, really hard to tell, but it's actually pretty tall, all right? So there you can see it said 47. That's as high as it will go. See there? So 47.3, and then it actually goes really, really low. But the cool thing is you can actually set 4 different things on here. So I'll show you guys how to do that. We can lower it down. And again, it's fairly quiet. Okay, so say we wanted it at, let's say we wanted this at, and you can do it incrementally. It literally is that sensitive where you can just tap it and it will go up and down digitally here. And if you wanted it to stay here at 40, all you would have to do is just press and hold. Once you hear that beep, then it's actually set. So anytime you have certain heights that you want the desk to be at, you can just go in here and do your presets for your standing height and your sitting height. And all you have to do is press the button and the table will go up and down to wherever you have it preset. That is one of the best features on here, to have a digital, like a preset on here, so that when I'm ready to stand up, I just push the button and I stand up with my desk and then I continue working. So this is the FEZIBO desk. Definitely recommend it. I've been using it, like I said, for over a year. Haven't had a single issue with it. Definitely would recommend this for anyone who's wanting to work on like a standing desk. This is definitely one that I highly recommend. I actually recommend it to my family, friends, and everybody who is looking into a standing desk. That's going to be it for this video. As usual, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.